Hi, this is Keith Rains and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I am not here to educate you. I'm simply here to announce something very important. Yep, so a few weeks ago, I started a new playlist on my YouTube channel called the Price Action Focus for Beginners. So in that playlist, I've only made about 3 videos about price action and everything else you need to know, but I haven't continued making videos as I promised that I'm going to be dropping videos almost every day. The reason is because one, the year has already finished and I feel as if like I should just probably continue next year. And again, second is that when I started making those videos, they were getting about 20 to 100 views, and it felt as if I'm just wasting my time because people are not really interested in free stuff. So I was thinking like instead of making videos for free, I was thinking like maybe making something like a course, a paid course whereby those who are interested in learning that should definitely like pay or something and be able to apply that knowledge and become better traders. So I haven't yet decided if it's going to be free or I'm going to make a paid course, but we'll definitely know by next year. So just follow me on my Telegram channel. That's why I post most announcements about forex trading, and of course subscribe to this channel. Okay, so this is it about what I had for you. So make sure that you give this video a like and subscribe. More nice things are coming next year. So this is Langa, so I'll be on my way, continue riding my bicycle. Bye.